Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to this next video. As ever, just an initial pre-word that these videos are for your information generally, but not specific advice. If you need specific advice, then you should contact one of our experts. My last video was about children who are born overseas and who are British citizens, and what sort of applications you should make for them in terms of whether you apply for a British passport or a certificate of entitlement, and that proved hugely popular, and I just wanted to follow through that theme and provide you with some more information about who is automatically a British citizen and in what circumstances children can acquire citizenship. Citizenship for children is determined by a number of factors, and if we break that down into two broad categories, firstly in relation to children that are born in the UK. Now, mere birth in the UK is not sufficient to confer citizenship onto a child, and their right to citizenship depends on their parents' status. A child born in the UK, if either of their parents is a British citizen then the child will be a British citizen automatically. If either of the parents already has indefinite leave as of the date of the child's birth, then again the child will be a British citizen automatically, and in those circumstances all you need to do is to complete an online application form for a British passport, or pick up a passport application form from the post office and send that off for the child's first British passport. The distinction in these circumstances is that the child is not a British citizen automatically at birth, but they need to make an application for registration as a British citizen, and the child has an entitlement to that registration as long as they were born in the UK and either parent subsequently acquires indefinite leave or British citizenship themselves. Another circumstance in which a child can acquire citizenship by registration is if the child is born in the UK and has lived in the UK continuously for 10 years without any lengthy absences from the UK, then again the child becomes entitled to register as a British citizen. If a child is born in the UK but neither parent is a British citizen or has indefinite leave as of the date of the child's birth, then the child can acquire citizenship if either parent subsequently gets indefinite leave or permanent residence in the UK. Now, in terms of children that are born overseas, there's some very technical provisions in relation to this. A child that is born overseas to a parent who is a British citizen otherwise than by descent. So, for example, if their parent was born in the UK, then they can pass on citizenship to that child overseas and they become a British citizen automatically. An important point to remember is that a child who's born overseas and is automatically a British citizen at birth, that child, when they have children of their own, will not be able to pass citizenship on to their children if they're born overseas. So as a general principle, British citizenship can only be passed down one generation overseas, and this is something that ends up catching a lot of people out. If the child's parent registered or naturalised as a British citizen in the UK, then again they can pass on citizenship to a child born overseas, and that child is automatically a British citizen at birth and can apply for a British passport or, as we've discussed previously, a certificate of entitlement, which may be a better option, especially from the subcontinent, given the delays in issue of British passports from children from that part of the world. Where you have a second generation child born overseas, although they will not be a British citizen automatically, there are circumstances in which they can acquire citizenship, and that is based on their own parents' residence in the UK for a period of at least 3 years prior to the child's birth. There are a lot of very complex provisions that apply to passing of citizenship to children, whether in the UK or overseas, and it is very important that you get very careful advice in relation to that before proceeding with any type of application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you require any assistance with any form of nationality application, then you can find our contact details at the end of this video. As ever, I'll be grateful if you would like and share this video with your friends and colleagues.